Hello everyone, first open your Illustrator, then take a text like me or any kind of text you want. I select this text. Now I'll change the color of this text. You can give any kind of color. I take white. Now I go to bevel and emboss. I'll make some change in depth, in size and angle. Now I go to contour, make some change, and I have to go in a shadow to make some change. Now it's all okay. I save it by group 1. Now open a new layer and give some gradient on it. Make everything like me. Now I just overlay it and go to adjustment to make some change with the gradient. We'll take black on it. I'm taking white on it. You can choose any kind of color. I'll take multiple color to make it more gorgeous, more beautiful, to make this design realistic. Now change. Now take blue, and now I have to take, I think, white. Yes, and it can take multiple color. So all are literally done. Now click on OK. I'm making some change on layer 1. Now I have to do some work with strokes and give some effect on a stroke. I turn the opacity to 0 and now you see the little bit change on a stroke. So if you like my design, please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. Please support me.